Viewers, welcome to ICT Tube. Today I'll show how to install and activate FastStone screen recording software. So let's move on. Viewers, as I said, I'll show you how to install and how to activate the fast screen recorder. So at first you have to download this software from Deezer website, or I have given a download link where you can download. So go to that software, FastStone screen recorder. Copy and paste to desktop. This is the software which is most effective to record your screen, desktop screen. Extract here. Then there are three files here. This is the FastStone installer file, and this is the text which is activation key. First run the application file. Right click, run as administrator. You have to press on yes to continue. Press yes, and next is the license agreement. You have to agree and install, and run FastStone screen captured software. Finish. Yeah, you can see the trial period has expired, and buy for $19.95 US. Another option is close. So I'll active it now. Enter registration code. Press on enter registration code. Okay. Here username and registration code. So I have given you that username and code. Open the text file. There you can see name. This is the username, and serial. This is the registration code. Just copy and paste to the desired blank. Copy, paste. This is the username, and this is the registration code. Copy and paste. Now press on register. Yeah, you can see, congratulations, the program has been registered to this team. Okay, close everything, and this is the shortcut menu for FastStone screen recorder. This is the video recording. This is the capturing size in your PC, and so on. So we can use for video recording. Click, and this is the size, which area will be recorded. So I have select full screen record, and start recording. Yeah, you can see to the right tab on red color mark is showing, so it's recording. And Control F10 for resume and pause. You can see save. I am selecting the desktop. You can see nothing is here, so my video will be located here. Desktop and test, T-E-S-T, test, and it's WMV file. Save. See, this is the video. Yeah, you can see to the right tab on red color mark is okay. It means the screen recording software FastStone is installed and activated. So thank you very much. And another information is, if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the next video. Thank you very much.